All right, Monte Carlo SS Dash. There's the new interior lights from Audi A4 B7. This is where the hood latch is supposed to be for the Monte Carlo, but we're relocating that. Here's the passenger side floor LED light holes. So these are just easily pop out right at the moment. And they just pop in. They're in there. So these actually have blue LEDs, but you can buy them several different colors. So these are white here. What I'm thinking about next is actually putting one right here and also one on this